Can you say luscious, smooth, and creamy? You like to eat, I like to cook. This is Cooking with Jimmy Vegan. This recipe today, creamy vegan mushroom chowder. So easy, so delicious. It's a lusciously smooth plant-based cream sauce made from white beans and cashews. When I tell you that this is going to blow you away, when I tell you, you won't believe the creaminess. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, carrots, celery, right? Chop those up. Oil in the pan. We got the garlic. Everything about this dish is hearty and fresh, flavor packed. Deep flavor. Mushrooms, onions, carrots. Let me tell you something. You're gonna feel healthy just making this damn thing, right? Because you got all these fresh vegetables in front of you. And you get to handle them and you get to chop them up. You put the beans in. So we're talking about fiber and flavor. Creaminess, luscious, smooth, earthy. I can't stop talking about how silky and robust and comforting and wholesome this dish is, right? When you make it, the love that you put into it, you're gonna taste. Because this is love. This is pure, silky, delicious, amazing love. It's decadent, it's robust. I'm out of adjectives. I'm out. But I need you to understand that you can get this recipe in the link below from my website. You need to make this today. All right, so look, I'm about to taste this. And when I tell you it's a feast for the eyes, my friend said add some rice and potatoes. It doesn't need any of that. Because every spoonful, every bite is just amazing. So, what you need to do is click that link below so you can grab the recipe. If you want more recipes, like a lot of them, grab my cookbook, link below as well.